Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today I have a 2012 Mazda CX5. This shape runs from 12th month 2012 up to the 12th month 2016. Stock number is 4513. This model has a 2-litre petrol PE engine backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. Here is the 2-litre 4-cylinder PE petrol engine. This vehicle sustained damage in the front. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy rims. Left-hand front, good rim with good tyre. Left-hand front door, good insurance. Left-hand rear door, rated as a good insurance also. Left-hand rear, 17-inch factory alloy rim with good tyre. Left-hand taillight was damaged in the accident. Here we have the tailgate, comes complete with your wiper, spoiler and garnishes. Rear bar is damaged. Comes with a TAG tow bar. Comes complete with your wiring, loom, plug, bolts. Right hand taillight has a chip in it, no good. Right hand rear 17-inch factory alloy rim with good tyre. Right hand rear door in good insurance quality. Right hand front door in good insurance quality also. Right hand mirror has a crack and grazes, no good. Right hand guard, no good. Right hand front factory 17-inch alloy rim with good tyre. This Mazda CX5 is a Max Sport, so it comes complete with factory black cloth interior, driver's side front seat with airbag in good condition, center console lid, handbrake, automatic gear stick. This vehicle came with the owner's manual and service book as well, in dealer's case. This has a factory sat nav unit with reverse camera. Passenger side sun visor, courtesy light with sunglass holder, driver's side sun visor. This is a black vinyl 3-spoke factory steering wheel, comes complete with audio and cruise control. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.